PDF stands for Portable Document Format and it is used for both print and digital applications. The main benefit of the PDF format is that the accessibility does not rely on fancy software. Anyone can download a free PDF reader. PDF is a fixed format, meaning it will render the same on all platforms, browsers, and devices. If you are proficient in graphic design, you can create and save PDF from a variety of industry image editing programs, such as Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. If you package an Illustrator file with all related fonts and links, the recipient of your file will need to have Illustrator in order to open it. Saving your Illustrator document as an Adobe PDF can quickly get rid of any headaches related to software requirement and compatibility. If saved properly, your PDF will look just like your Illustrator file and can even be used to print your final project. The only software we'll need to view it is the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to save Adobe Illustrator file as a PDF, go to File menu and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, browse to the location you want to save to. Type the file name, select Adobe PDF in the Save As type drop-down and then click the Save button. You will see a new dialog box Save Adobe PDF populated with Illustrator PDF presets and providing additional PDF options. Either select a preset from the Adobe PDF preset menu or select a category from the list on the left and then customize the setting. Depending on what your PDF purpose is, you can use the Adobe Illustrator PDF presets to shortcut choosing your settings. If you are going to be using your PDF online, for example, smallest file size option is usually a good start. A PDF preset is a group of settings that affect the process of creating a PDF. The settings are designed to balance file size with quality depending on how the PDF will be used. Illustrator default create PDFs in which all Illustrator data is preserved. PDFs created with this preset can be reopened in Illustrator without any loss of data. These are the default settings when saving an Illustrator file as an Adobe PDF document. Use these settings when you plan on editing the file again in Illustrator, or when you need to place it in a layout application such as InDesign, or when the final use of the file is unknown. High quality print creates PDF for quality printing on desktop printers and proofing devices. Press quality creates PDF files for high quality print production, for example for digital printing or for separation to an image setter or plate setter. In this case, the quality of the content is the highest consideration. The objective is to maintain all the information in a PDF file that a commercial printer or print service provider needs in order to print the document correctly. Smallest file size creates PDF files for display on the web or for email distribution. This set of options uses compression, downsampling, and a relatively low image resolution. It converts all colors to sRGB and embed fonts. It also optimizes files for byte serving. For best result, avoid using this preset if you intend to print the PDF file. Although the default PDF presets are based on best practices, you may discover that your workflow or perhaps your printer's workflow requires specialized PDF settings that are not available via any of the built-in presets. If this is the case, you or your service provider can create custom presets. Preserve Illustrator editing capabilities option. Save all Illustrator data in the PDF file. Select this option if you want to be able to reopen and edit the PDF file in Adobe Illustrator. One important thing to note is the Preserve Illustrator editing capabilities option counteracts aggressive compression and downsampling. If file size is a concern, then deselect this option. Embed page thumbnails option. Embed a thumbnail preview for each page in the PDF. Optimize for fast web view option. Optimizes the PDF file for faster viewing in a web browser. View PDF after saving option. Open the newly created PDF file in the default PDF viewing application. Create Acrobat layers from top level layers. Save all Illustrator top level layers as Acrobat layers within the PDF file. This allows Adobe Acrobat 6, 7 and 8 users to generate multiple versions of the document from a single file. This option is only available when compatibility is set to Acrobat 6, 7 or 8. Within Illustrator, save Adobe PDF dialog box. Choosing any category from the left-hand menu will allow you to customize your setting further. When saving artwork in Adobe PDF, you can compress text and line art and compress and downsample bitmap images. Depending on the settings you choose, compression and downsampling can reduce the size of a PDF file with little or no loss of data and precision. The compression area is divided into 3 sections. Each section provides the options for compressing and resampling color, grayscale, and monochrome image in your artwork. Downsampling refers to decreasing the number of pixels in an image. If you plan to use the PDF file on the web, use downsampling to allow for higher compression. If you plan to print the PDF file at high resolution, do not use downsampling. The marks and bleed area lets you specify the extent of the bleed and add a variety of printer's marks to the file. This option enables all printer's marks, trim marks, registration marks, color bars, and page information in the PDF file. Use document bleed settings option uses the document's bleed setting instead of the bleed setting in the dialog box. This lock option controls the bleeding for the artwork. When the button is selected, these 4 values are proportional. Editing one will update the values in the other 3. You can set the color conversion option in the output section. Interactions between output options change depending on whether color management is on or off and which PDF standard is selected. In the advanced section, you can set the fonts and overprints options. When saving a PDF, you can add password protection and security restrictions, limiting not only who can open the file but also who can copy or extract contents, print the documents, and more. You can save this preset for future use by clicking the download icon in the top right corner. It will save a new .job option for future use. One important thing to note is that you will have to review your PDF setting periodically. The settings do not automatically revert to the default setting. Applications and utilities that create PDF use the last set of PDF settings defined or selected. So the biggest benefit of using Illustrator to create print-ready PDFs is that Illustrator can keep all of the vector content as editable vector content without having to stick to the native Illustrator format. So I hope this video has helped you to learn how to export PDF from Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. That's all in our part 62 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Easy Guide YouTube channel if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 63.